Drive it. Come on, drive it. Drive it.
I want this home.
Come on, push. Push.
I want this home.
Okay, push. Push. You have to straighten it. Push. Push. Push.
Very nice, honey.
Push. Are you going in the kitchen? Go straight. Go that way. Push. Push.
Very
Push.
nice, darling.
Push. Boo, keep it straight. You have to keep your wheel straight.
Push, 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 push.
You're going to hit that wall. Look, if you go like this, see? If you go like this, you go this way. See this? So go this way, and then straighten out. See that? Is it still too far for you? Should I move it lower? No, not like that. That's cheating.
Now her feet are touching the floor. It should be fine. She just has to get the hang of it.
No, I think...